Before we start today's program, may we request everyone to please stand up for the singing of the
pagpapairal ng batas, karapatan at katarungan para sa lahat. Kabahagi sila sa paglilingkod sa bayan at sa pagpapanatili ng demokrasyang Pilipino. Sa paglipas ng panahon, hindi nagwaliw ang kanilang pag-ibig sa ating pinagbayan. Mga kababayan, mayuko tayo lahat at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
International Day of Monuments.
Yes, that is right. The International Day of Monuments and Sites. So every 18th of April is the annual observance of the International Day of Monuments and Sites, or ID.
Thank you, Bea. So, mayong bunta kahapon tanan.
Mayong bunta.
To open the exhibition of Cebu's Built Heritage, presenting the illustrious evolution of the city heritage. So this afternoon, we will take you to the different heritage structures.
I take this opportunity to thank the SQ Federation of Cebu City, particularly the youth organization.
And mayong bunta kahapon tanan. As you have noticed, our Lupang Hinirang this morning is a beautiful.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Masi. That was a very long introduction. I would have been happy because of the sentences, pero parang sige na lang. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you to wherein I work. Okay. So, anybody who has taken up already courses on conservation or heard me on okay, you heard me already. So, nakatulong naman when I spoke about heritage, who we are. They should be preserved because they have to be reused for present and future generation. And the with what's being done, right? Okay. The process of reverting the building to its original condition. In this way, original materials vernacular and Spanish architecture. Ang atong commercial windows kaya nakakuha naman. Some of them will have been saved in but I don't know where they went. Giisa na natin yung perspex. It's a very thick kind of plastic na mura sa commercial. Pero in terms of originality, di makita ng kayo niya original. So we would have wanted it saved. Hindi, ito na rin ito as taas. But anyway, that's adaptive reuse. Digamit ba? Sayang mabuti gamiton. Another way, another example. Kaning, kung ano siya, nani sa Cathedral Museum, sa Kakaraang Kumbintos Cathedral, na guba na itaw, among giayon, karon gigamit na din siya. Adaptive reuse, instead of demolishing it, it is now being used for social purposes. Another way of conservation is reconstruction. Kung unsay makuba, i-reconstruct. Kini kinalisdan, kay gasto kayo. Example of reconstruction, ginamberan sa computer para they will know where to put them. Kanya, ang mga tao ay trabaho hinay-hinay in the field so that people will see what's being done. Kaya makakonsat ng mga tao. Right? Now, once, nabalik ang cathedral. But after 10 years, and I think 960 million, kita sa pinagabok. Dahil naing no? Venice is only one. So, ito masih ganila, di-fight kita sa Melbas Cafe. Di-fight ko, di-resign ko niya. Meeting ni Cardinal, ni Archbishop with landmasters. Pasabot na po sila sa why it is important to keep it. Naminaw ang landmasters, bilang architect Bumangod, I'm from Iloilo, so I did not know about your valued heritage. But anyway, can something still be done? You don't see Archbishop, I'll go out for a while, I'll think about it, I'll come back in 10 minutes. Pagbalik niya, I have your decision, so I have made a decision the landmasters can proceed. So, we fought for it, right? Ngayon, mga suwat si DU, SB na kanang planning mo sila kami. Students decide, please save it, no? Ang ends, together with the NCCA, they are the national agencies tasked to look after conservation of the Nianggi. Ingon sila, okay, pwede na makakompromise. Ayaw lang i-demolish ang front building. So hopefully, leadership ni Mayor Raymond Garcia for the preservation of our community. Magkakaroon sa tayong the cleanliness, the efficiency, the discipline of people. Dito sila. Pero in terms of many downtown, lies ang atong approach. Cleanliness mo lang, pero conservation. Greek o Roman. And all thing naman, no? After Greece, Roman, Romanist, ni Gothic, verticality na, ang Roman and Romanist, rounded man, mga walls, dark. Pag abot sa Gothic, like Notre Dame, Paris, light verticality na yun. So, mabolo, pagtog of the Gothic style. So, verticality, ang iyang mga window vision, si Father Maya, trains siya, nasa ka maong painting, mga painting, mga carving, hindi na siya hinagdang. Kaya part na siya. Tanaw na tayo may example na. Example na, sa butuon ba, doon na siya yung mga black house ka na mga. Papanagin na siya, kaya daw na yung mga kampana na sa sul. Pero sa sul, mo man yung piso, ang Spanish Charter, ayun, pag-take kayo para sa story. Okay? Kaya sa Kuchauco Building, ang mga kuhaan dito Kuchauco Building, i-document sa students, ang karaang tiles nila sa ilaw sa mga Americans na nagamit, tanawa mo na ilang tile o na eagle, kita sabihin na ilang tile din na murag vapor. Yun na po yung lain din. I was hoping, kaya hindi mo nila ito sa museum, ipakita nila nila tile, kaya patanga ka may caption, nga the meaning of this tile during the American period is this, so keep it. Doon na nila tayo caption, no? Part of them siya sa museum exhibit. Ang ako na nikabulan kaya the architect removed everything. Isang bagong tile, nawa ang story, sayang kayo. Yang bin sa taas nito tayo. So muna kay ang uban sa architects, no? This is the key. No? One of the reasons why tumba atong mga simbahan nga rin during the earthquake was because the walls gihimot og beam, ang beam gitungtong og corbel nga ibutangan og key. Pagbutangan ng key, yabi ba? Wooden key. Muna siya ipugong sa libro. Nindot kayo siya na i-carve pa nila. They could just have left the beam, the corbel, karaan na kahoy, pero ilang pa dyan ibuhatan o carving ba? Kakao kilo sa dito, itanaw niyo sa nasilaw. Mayroon yung ikaw, kaya ano, nakita na dunay former nga floor. 6 inches before. Amo na nung i-apply ang museum, kita niyo on several layers of different floors through the decades. The nice thing about archaeology is nakita ito the structural condition. So, gilig po ni siya. So, dagang kaya advantage. So, exacto yun ang Venice Charter sa Article 9. The restoration must be preceded by an archaeological and historical study. Right? Okay. One example. Of course, inataman ni kinahanglan yung scientific data, no? Murang nakapakita naman ko. Kani siya, example ni siya sa Baco. Cathedral Museum niya po ni siya. Na dunot na ni postiha, na dunot ang beam, kapit na ni Mahugno. Kung dili mo utangan kung steel, temporarily, mahagno ini. So, you can use new material. Kung usa man galing, kung una yun, kaya mahimo, ilisan o pa, kung usa may i-repair lang, kinahanglan meetingan sa mga kamao. Muna example aning picture muna kami ngadto sa kuan sa City of Japan. Sige na mo for 5 years back and forth sa Japan. Sila back and forth sa diri kay they wanted to learn about us. Article 13, additions cannot be allowed except in so far as they will not detract from the interesting parts of the building and the balance. Again, ikaw kaya pagpatriyaan niya kay nagubak ko yung balance and relationship with surroundings, nagubak din. So, now Article 14. Kanina, the monuments must be of special care to safeguard their integrity. Nindon kayo ang sa pa, karaan ay settlement, karaan ay sa plan of kaya idunggo, doon na sila yung ang Spaniards na buhat din ito ng boy. Pero pag himo sa daan, ipang tibol tingali, gusto mo tayo, taas mo tayo. Ilang necessarily mirror, but maybe door. Okay? Ang naapo dito, okay, naani sa Athens, cases of emergency kung may disaster, pero wala sa Venice. Pero sige na lang, dahil ang Venice is based on Athens. O sa may buhaton kung may disaster, tanaw na ito kadiyota. Kung may disaster, kaunta na rin uban nga naa sa Athens, o kaning the role of education, o stakeholders. Pag sige mag-meeting, muli akong ingon nga, not only one individual decides, pero stakeholders, paminaw yun ha, ang community. Muli, example na rin natuloy sa Argao, naminaw yun sila sa Buhatonon. Pero anyway, the role of education, kani, atod na sa first aid of disaster risk, and ano ba'y gusto ni Ma'am Audrey na matisgota o emergency of disaster risk na? Kung sa may buhaton, kung naay mahitabo, nga ingon ani, nalawa itaw ng Santo Niño, perting pugawa ng hugit taw, no? After 2013, no? Ang ikromos ni ingon nga, kinahanglan you should reduce the risk of mass destruction, cyber attacks even, no? Mga binuhatis mga tao, human-made, anthropogenics, anthro means tao, good, no? Anthropology, the study of people and cultures. Binuhat sa mga tao, sa'yo magaguba. Sa nature, daghan sa types of hazards. Vulnerable ba tayo? Yeah. Types of hazards, vulnerable. Are they making? I hope so. You can do your research because they should be making these preparations. And ang hard history. Muna steps, no? Kung naay disaster, ha? Sunod ana, phase 2, maghimo na yung reconstruction or restoration approach. Reconstruction makaha, or rehabilitation, or preservation. Decide na, ha? Muna siya reconstruction and restoration policies. Usa, unya public hearing, appeal yun ang mga tao, dili kay ang mga konservatora. Muna stakeholder yun, no? Appeal yun ang mga tao. Unya, inighuman na public hearing, unsay mga legal requirements, maminaw po tas mga balaod, huwag bata nagsubay bata. Unya, inighuman ni anak, mapadong na dayong tao, draft restoration plan, whether restoration or reconstruction or rehabilitation. Decide na after the stakeholders, and then draft na, buhatan of architectural, consolidation of landscape plan. Inighuman, feasibility study, kung nabay funding, nabay mga kamaong, nigawan na buhatan pa yun yung social and community organization. Kinsay makatabang, kinsay makatanaw dito, kinsay makamonitor yung trabaho na. Nagkakaitan ko mo niya, ya, usa pa mo implement. Muna di siya. During the implementation, ano yung trainingon ang mga taga dito. Ya, unsay protocol, sundon yun yung protocol, mga smaglan na, sundon yung protocol. Kunya, kuan ba yun ka na interpretation, restoration techniques, budgetary considerations. Una pa mahuban ang implementation niya, i-publish na yung ang nahita. Para matapon, kami nag-ipapog. Maintenance manual na libro. Kung ba nani ang trabaho na ako yung libro na San Carlos, nagkaning copies, kung sa'y buhaton, i-document na mo, kung sa'y ang gibuhat, publication. Bituman yun sa inon sa Venice o Athens Charter na i-publish yun ninyo para ang bali man yun. So, okay? Kunya, dito sa kuwan, sa Globo, ituluan ang stakeholders kung remove all the fallen things niya, impyuhan niya, ilatang.
Hello, ginaghan kayo salamat Architect Hava for that very insightful and reaching good mga information. We were able to understand the Venice Charter, including the Athens Charter, and explain yung mga article by article in the context of Cebu's built heritage. So now, open up the floor for your questions. But before that, let us give Architect Hava another round of applause. Okay.
Today is a special day because it's 18th birthday of Miss Audrey. Happy birthday!
The National Museum of the Philippines presents the Certificate of Appreciation to Architect Elva Rodriguez Hava for her invaluable time and effort as resource person for the lecture 2024 International Day for Monuments and Sites, Tinukod na Kabilin, Looking at Cebu's Built Heritage through the Venice Charter on April 18, 2024 at 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. Given this 8th day of April 2024 at the National Museum of the Philippines, Cebu, signed by Attorney Maria Cecilia Ceron, our Director 2 of the Visayas National Museums.
Nihongo de hanashite kudasai.
どうですか？この鳥いかがですか？まだやってないですよ。
こんにちは。今日はとっても暑いですね。じゃあ、体気をつけてください。いつもお水を飲んでください。いつも持ってくださいね。
はい、ヘレンさんはどうぞ。はい、どうぞ。ミリアムさん、話してください。
本当に話してください。
今日のこと。何がニコニコ顔してる。今日
はアメイジング。それだけです。ちゃんと。Yes, in memory? Enough in memory. All the time, yata ko enough in memory. Gambatte kudasai for the in celebration. Let's go for Cebu City. Nihongo datte. Kyou no shinai kankou ga are no tame ni international monuments and sites of Cebu City. Ganbarimashou. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
今度も話してください。日本語で話して。 もう大丈夫よ。日本語で。
Ito may kanji nga maayo kayo. Ang pangalan sa niya, Venice. Unya nga mo ang activity karon kay located to the
stones. So let's start here. So mission, vision, and goals na siya sa museum. So ang mission din sa museum is to create an establishment na caters for artifact And so here, this is like a part of the boiler. But like all the way underneath here. This was discovered just only from the New Wales. Since port area man siya before, so mas molita towards used to travel to go here in Cebu or in other places to do trading. And so we can go over there if you want to. As you can see, there are many items like beeswax, tea, clay jars, fruits, which the Chinese have brought here when they came here to trade with us. So you can go. From other places. Yes, from China. Again, like the faces of the people here are. So the Manila side is we have the barter to exchange the Filipinos with the Chinese, like ang cotton, the mga tela, and also original water, the next floor upstairs pa. So,
Shoemaker in Cebu. The Parian Chinese District in Cebu. 19. Chinese is the mga tikoy, mga latik. Chinese selling chow chow, chan chow, Chinese noodle vendor.
Taho.
No?
The one here, you will see these two, like the design is like born to be like there is like to bring out the beauty of the woman, to make her look more feminine, to make her look more beautiful, to please like her these are more red So you'll see a lot of that kind of color. The main dynasty was known for the blue and white na porcelain. But then here,
Rescue archaeology ta, and one of the highlight objects that was recovered from Plaza Independencia kay katong golden mask. Pareha sa katong gisulo bitaw ni Beauty Gonzales, no? Kung nakakita mo ato kana usa na sa ato ang mga naa dito sa National Museum. And apart from that, there were also a lot of blue and white wares, mga trade wares, mga shirts. Daghan kaayo kanang linya sa tunnel karon mauna ang gi-excavate sa una sa pag 2009. Ang uban